Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for checking out this video. Guys, this was not a challenge. I was not challenging the big boss Bawasharo. I was just trying out, the tricks it does. I usually used to just to admire what it does. I never tried on the bass, but today I was like, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna try it on video. So today is my first day of trying out Bawasharo skills, but you're gonna see more because I'm gonna keep on trying to see all the skills that he does and all that, all those spices. So thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe and spread the word. I need to reach 1,000 subscribers here, guys. I'm almost there, only halfway. But thank you, guys. More content coming. Thank you. Watch this one.